Yes, children. Today we are going to start a new topic called as addition. Yes, children. You have been studying in your earlier classes what exactly is addition. Yes or no? So in your previous classes you have been learned about how to add the addition of 3 digits, 4 digits. Yes or no? So I need to give a clear explanation and examples of what is the addition is all about. Yes, children? Yes. Addition is nothing but adding 2 or more terms. They will come together. That is called as addition. Okay. So what I'm saying is addition is nothing but adding the 2 or more numbers. We are keeping together. Yes, we'll go with an example. Yes, 3, 4, 5. So these are the 3 numbers. Yes or no? So I'm keeping together. Keeping together. That means I'm adding. Yes? So this is called as addition. 3 plus 4, 3 in the mind, 4 fingers out. 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. Next, 5. 7 in the mind, 5 fingers out. After 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is nothing but addition. Yes, in addition, I'll take it the other example of addition, right? So the example is add 12 plus 14. Okay, guys. Okay, children. So this is the addition example. So now we call this as addends. What we call it as, children? Addends. These 2 numbers we call it as addends. Again, 2 in the mind, 4 fingers out. After 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After 1, what is keep 1 in the mind and 1 finger out. So 1 plus 1 is 2. What we call this 26 as? We call this as sum. What we call it as, children? Sum. We call this as sum, and these 2 we call it as addends. What we call it as, children? Addends. So keep these things in your mind very clearly that these 2 are called as addends. Whatever the numbers we are adding, they are called it as addends. And we get the solution, we get the last answer, we call it as sum. Yes, children? What we call it as? Sum. So this is the basic introduction of addition, what it is exactly. Now we will be going through the properties of addition. We are having the 4 to 3 of properties of addition. I'll let you know now. Okay? Alright. As we were discussing, we'll be seeing the properties of addition now. Okay? What are the properties of addition? How many properties of additions we have? Okay, children, we have 4 types of properties. How many properties we have, children? We have 4 types of property. The first one is commutative property. What is the first one, guys? It is a commutative property. Adding the 1 or 2 numbers. 1 or 2 numbers. So I'm taking an example here. So the main concept of commutative property is A plus B is equals to B plus A. I want to just give you an example, children. If I add 1 plus 2, what will be 3? If I add 2 plus 1, what will be 3? Yes, so that is called as commutative property. You can add in any of the either way, A plus B or B plus A. So I'll go with the example, children. So take A is equals to 1, B is equals to 2. So 1 plus 2, 3, 2 plus 1, 3. So both are equal. So this is called as commutative property. The next one we call it as associative property. Now adding more than 2 numbers. Here we are adding only 2 numbers. Yes, children. Now we'll be adding the 3 numbers numbers over here. So yes, so the thing is here a plus b of plus c is equals to a plus b of b plus c. We'll go with the values of a, b, c over here. Yes, 1. I'll take a1, b2, c3. Same here, 1. So 1 plus 2 how much, children? 3. Good. 3 plus 3 6. 1 plus 2 plus 3 how much? 5. So both are same, children? Yes. So this is called a associative property and this is commutative property. Here adding only 2 numbers, here adding more than 2 numbers. That means 3 numbers. Next is additive identity of property. What is the meaning of additive identity of property? Yeah, I want to ask you one question, children. If I add any number with 0, what it will become? Yeah, you will get the same number. That means if I add 1 plus 0, what will become? 1. If I add 1000 plus 0, what will become? It will become 1000 only. So if we add any number with a 0, we will get the same number. So that means a plus 0 is equals to a. Here a is nothing but any value. You can take any value, okay? Right. That means 5 plus 0 is equals to 5. Yes or no? How? I already said that if I add a number with a 0, I always get the same number. That is called as additive identity of property. Okay, children, it's clear for you? Yes. Next, we move on to the next thing that is called as distributive property. What property, children? Distributive property. Yes, a into b plus c is equals to a into b, a into c. So same, I'll take the values for all the things. A is 1, b is 2 and c as 3. Okay, so 1 into 2 plus 3 is equal to 1 into 2 plus 1 into 3. How much, ma'am? 5. Yes or no? So a into b, 1 into 2, 1 into 3. 1 into 2 how much? 2. 1 into 3 how much? 3. So 2 plus 3 how much? 5. So these are the properties of, mainly we use this 4 properties in our further further topics, or we can say the further classes, or whenever you go, you have to keep it in your mind. Very, very important. Commutative property, associative property, additive identity property and distributive property. Okay, children, hope you understood these 4 concepts? Yes. Yes, children, I wanted to add a number. I wanted to add a 6-digit number or 4-digit number or 3-digit number, whatever. I wanted to show you in how many ways we can add a same number, the same problem. How many ways we can add? Okay, children. Yeah, let's move with the small example. Okay. Yeah. So this is an example, right? 24 plus 11. Okay. So this is an example, how many ways I can add this problem. Okay. First, I will add what is the solution for this thing. Okay. Right. 4 11. How much? 24 11. 4 plus 1 5. 35. 3 plus 2 5. 6. 5 plus 6 how much, children? 11. Good. 6. 4. So what is the answer I got it here, children? I got it 46. Now I will make I already said that a plus b is equals to b plus c, the same way I'll move on to the example now. So yes, 6 plus 2 plus 3 plus 11 plus, yes, can we get the same answer? Yes, we get the same answer. One more method. 2, 6, 3, 11, 24, this thing, and next thing. 3, 11, 24, 6 plus 2. So these are the three ways we can, if we add like this also, we will get the same number. Yeah, we'll go to one more method. Yes, so this is the one more method. 24, 6, 2 and 3. That's it. Okay, so you can go into any method, like we are having different types of method, so that if we add in either way, like any other way, we will get the same answer. So this is I wanted to say, like addition can be written in any sort of any different types of ways. So I have written in so many ways, 4 ways. If I add the 4 ways, I'll get the same answer, 46. Okay, so if you are not perfect with such type of additions, I'll give you with a okay, right? 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 16. 1 carry. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 46. So this is the addition, like you can add the same number in different types of ways. Okay children, hope you understood this concept. Yes. The next concept is adding of a number, adding of a large numbers. It's just like adding of a small numbers, like how we add the numbers, the same way we need to add the numbers. But you should keep in mind that you should always start with the ones place. Like where we need to start, children? We need to always start a number whenever we are adding from a ones place. Okay? Right. Okay. Now we are having 2 types of methods, like how we need to add. The first one is without regrouping and the next one is with regrouping. So these are the 2 things like where we need to add. First is with regrouping, the second one is without regrouping. So let's see, okay? As you all know that this is ones, tens, hundred, thousands, 10,000s. This you need to keep always in your mind that you should start from ones place. Okay children? So always 2 in the mind, 4 fingers out. 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 3 in the mind, 3 fingers out. After 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 4 in the mind, 2 fingers out. After 4, 5, 6. Again 2 in the mind, 5 fingers out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 3 in the mind, 1 finger out. 4. So this is the addition of without regrouping. Now we'll go with regrouping. What is the difference of without regrouping and with regrouping? We'll know it after doing the problem. Okay? We need to write it here. Okay? 5 in the mind, 4 fingers out. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. 8 in the mind, 3 fingers out. After 8, 9, 10, 11. So what should I do here? I cannot keep it here 11. I will keep a carry over here. What I'll do children? I'll keep a carry over here. So 7 in the mind, 2 fingers out. 8, 9. Again we have 1, 10. Carry. Again 6 in the mind, 1 finger out. 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 3 plus 4, 3 in the mind, 4 fingers out. After 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now children, can you see me? What is the difference? Yes, the difference is here we are having the carries and here we don't have any carries. Yes or no children? So this is the difference between the without regrouping and grouping. Hope you understood the addition of large numbers, children. The only thing you need to keep in your mind, children, is you need to keep always starts from ones place. Always you need to start from ones place. Some people, some children, what they do, they start from here. That is not the thing. We should always start from the ones place. Okay, children? Hope you have understood. Yes. Yes. Next, here are the add the following sums. So here we have the add the following problems. Like we need to solve it. Like we'll see how we'll solve. Okay, children? Yes. Again, what did I say? You can keep 2 in the mind, 5 fingers out, or you can directly do like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Like this also you can do. Here 6 in the mind, 3 fingers out, 7, 8, 9. Same here. 4 in the mind, 5 fingers out. After 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Here. After 3 in the mind, 1 finger out. 3 plus 1, 4. Yes or no? Clear, children? Yes. We will go to the next problem. Again here, 4 in the mind, 5 fingers out, 9. 2 in the mind, 3 fingers out, 3, 4, 5. 3 in the mind, 3 fingers out, 4, 5, 6. 4 in the mind, 4 fingers out, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, next. 6 in the mind, 3 fingers out, 7, 8, 9. 2 in the mind, 5 fingers out, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 in the mind, 1 finger out, 5. 3 in the mind, 2 fingers out, 3 after, 4, 5. 5 in the mind, 4 fingers out. After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes. Okay. Next, 2 in the mind. See, children, we are having so many. Here we are having only 2. There we are having 3. So what we need to do? You can go with the stripes. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Here he is using with regrouping, and here we are using the without regrouping also. Why? Because here we are taking the carry. Yes, 3 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, children, some children will forget to add the carry. So you should add the carry also. Next. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, here 5 plus 1, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, children? So these are the sum of the additions. Okay, I'll go with the other addition. Okay? Okay. Like in the previous thing, what we have generally added. Like all the terms which have been given, we have added. But here, we have to arrange it in the columns first. We have to arrange it in the column, and then we need to add. Simply, you should not like in the previous what it has been given directly, the sums has been given. But here we have to add it in the column. Okay, first we'll make it in the column. We'll go with the highest value. So what is the highest value here? Here 52. So this is the column which we have been made from the largest to smallest. Okay, right. 2 plus 3, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 2, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3 plus 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, you can do with the strikings, or you can do with the help of keeping in the mind. Yes, next one. Which is the largest here, children? Can you see me? Which is the largest here? Yes, 19. Yes, next largest is. Next largest is. So, okay, 4 in the mind, 6 in the fingers out. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in the mind, 9 fingers out. 19. Yes. Yes? Yes. 5 in the mind, 4 fingers out. 9. Next, 9 in the mind, 2 fingers out. After 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. Next, 9 in the mind, 1 finger out. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. After 15, what is the next two? 16, 17. Yes. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. Yeah. Okay, children? Hope you understood this problem, all of you. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes? All of you, it's clear? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so this way we can have here one more thing. Here it is having two ways. Here we are having with grouping, and here we are having without regrouping. So this is arranged in columns and find the sum. First we need to. This is called arranging in the columns. Yes or no? So if it is like this, we call them it as rows. It is like this, we call it as columns. Okay, ma?